Hello guys, welcome back to this series on C programming. In this video we will learn something very important in C, which is pointer. So what is pointer? A pointer is a variable that stores the memory address of another variable as its value. So pointers are special variables that are used to store addresses rather than values. So if you have, for example, a variable var in your program, address of var will give you its address in the memory of your computer. So here there is a very important question: why do we use pointers in programming? So it's very easy. They save space and they can increase the speed during iterative code. So if you want to save your space, if you want to increase the speed of your program, it's better to use pointer. Now, we have used address numerous times while using the scanf function. For example, here we use scanf %d address of var. So we used to use the address. So here we are memorizing our address in the address of var. For example, here, if you want to write the value of var, we have here int var equal to 5. Printf var, we will get the value inside the var, which is 5. But here, if we want to know the address of var, we have to write printf. The address is %p or %d, also it's the same address of var. So it will give us the address of this value in your memory. This address is different for sure in every computer because it will give us the address of the variable. The syntax of pointer, it's very simple also. We have here int, after we have asterisk, and we have p. If we have this asterisk, that means it's a pointer. It's not a normal variable. We can write it also like that. Int, we can leave a space, and we have asterisk related to p or p1. Or we can leave here space, another space, and after the name of the variable. So the space are not important. The most important thing, if we have asterisk, the computer or the compiler will understand that it's a pointer, not a variable. We can also declare a pointer and a variable in the same line, but separated with comma. For example, here we have int asterisk p1. This p1, it's a pointer. And here, p2, it's a normal variable because there is no asterisk behind the p2. So here, p1, it's a pointer, p2, it's a normal variable with the same type, which is int. How to assign a variable or an address to a pointer? We have here, we declare int asterisk pc and c. So we have here the pointer pc and we have the c. We are giving the c equal to 5 here, and after we have pc is equal to the address of c. So here the value of c will be 5 and the value of pc will be the address of c. As we said, the most important thing that you have to keep in your mind, we are storing an address of another variable inside the pointer. So here pc will get the address of c. When we declare it here int asterisk pc, pc it's a pointer, but it's not pointed yet to a variable. So we have to give the address of a variable to this pointer. Until here, the pointer is free, there is nothing inside, but here we are saying pc is equal to the address of c. So now here after this line, inside the pc, we have an address, which is the address of c. Now, let's pass to an example to understand better how to use this pointer with code in C. In this example, we will learn how to work with pointers in C. So the first thing here, let's declare a variable and a pointer. So we have here int asterisk pc, this is our pointer, and we have a variable c. Here until here, the pointer pc, it's free, there is nothing inside, and the value also of c. Now, let's give a value to c. So c will take the value of 5. Now, printf, let's print and see what is the address and the value inside the c. So we have printf address of c is %d and we have /n, and we will write address of C. So we will see the address of the variable C inside the memory of our computer. So after now, let's see the value of C. So here, let's copy this sentences. We have value of C is C. Let's execute this code and see what is the result. So as you can see here, the address of C, this is the address of our variable in my computer, in my memory. And here with the value of C, it's 5. For you, you will have a different address. But the most important thing, it's not a value, it must be an address. Now, let's work with the pointer here. Until now, the pointer, it's not pointed to a variable. So we have to give this pointer an address of variable. So let's give PC8 will take the address of C. Now, let's see how to get the value and what is the value of those variable. So here, printf address of PC is %D. We will see what is the address of PC. PC, it's also a variable with type pointer, so it must be memorized in our computer memory with an address. So we will see what is the address of this PC. After the value of PC, so it will be how to get the value of PC. We will just write PC. So we will see what we have inside this PC, and we have here the value pointed by PC. So PC, it's pointed to a value, to another variable. The value inside this variable, we can get it by asterisk PC. So let's see the output together. We have here the first line here. We already talked about that. We have the address of C. This is the address of C, and this is the value of C. Now we will see the address in the memory of the PC. So the address of PC, this is the address, is different from the C address. Each variable has an address in the memory. Now the value of PC. What is the value of PC? It's the address of C. And here also we have the address of C. So the output of this line and the output of this line must be the same. As you can see here, we have address of C, this value, and the value of PC, this value. Why? Because the PC will take the address of C. Now, PC is pointed to a variable which is C. Let's see what is the value inside the C. How to see that? We will write asterisk PC. So it's 5. So if you want to see the value inside the C, you can write like that. Value of C is %DC, or the value of C is asterisk PC, because PC is pointed to C. So it's the same. Now let's change the value, for example, of C. C is equal to 11. Let's copy also this code. And let's see if something will change. So we have here the last 3 lines. We have address of PC. It's the same. It doesn't change because we didn't change the address of PC. PC is still in the same place. The value of PC also, it's the same because we didn't change the address of C, but we just changed the value inside the C, which is 11. It was 5, now it's 11, so asterisk PC will change also to 11. Let me also write this one, this line. We will see it must be the same. The last 2 lines must be the same. So as you can see here, how to get the value inside the C, we will write asterisk PC, printf asterisk PC, or C, because it's the same. Asterisk PC will give us the value of the variable pointed by the pointer. Now, if those variables are the same, so if I change the value of C like that, I can change it also in this way. Asterisk PC if C and asterisk PC, they are the same, so I can write asterisk PC, for example, is equal to 22. Let's see what changed. So we have here the last 4 lines. Address same, address of PC also same. The value pointed by C, it's 22, and the value of C of is 22. So if you want to change the value inside the variable, you can write C is equal to 22 or asterisk of PC is equal to 22. Why? Because we have this very important code, PC is equal to asterisk to address of C. This is the main idea of the pointer. Now we will pass to see how to work with array and pointers. Here, for example, we will use an array of 5 elements of 5, and it's equal to, for example, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. This is our array, and we will decorate our pointer, for example, PTR. This is the name of my pointer. Now I will assign my pointer to the address of the third element of my array. So you can assign the pointer to wherever you want, yeah, to the first element, the second element, the last element. So how to do that? PTR, it's equal to the address of x of 2. As you know, that the element in the array start from 0. That's why the third element will be x of 2. This is x of 0, x of 1, and x of 2. So this pointer will be pointed to this element. Now we will see how to get the value of the third element by using pointer. So we have printf, for example, asterisk ptr is equal to %d. Let's use also /n, and we have here asterisk ptr. How to get the value of the third element? The pointer is pointed to the third element, so asterisk of ptr will give us the element here, the third element of our array. Let me execute. So ptr is equal to 3. It's like to say the value of the third element, x of 2, is 3. As you can see here, we get the value 3. Now, if I want to get the element, the third here, the fourth element, so asterisk of ptr plus 1. So here I have to add parentheses because the pointer will be pointed to the element 4. So we have here ptr plus 1. If I want, for example, to get the second element, here we have -1, and here -1. It's always according to the pointer. The pointer is pointed here. If I want to get this element, it's pointer -1. If I want to get this element, it's pointer +1. Let me execute and let's see. As you can see here, ptr plus 1, it's 4. The value here, it's 4. And ptr -1, it's 2. So, as you can see here, you can use pointer in array, in function, in multidimensional array. You can use pointer wherever you want. So, I hope you understand the basic idea of pointer. Thank you so much for listening and for watching this video. If you have any question, please leave us a comment, or if you like our video, leave us a like, and see you in the next video. Thank you so much.